So, finished in the greenhouse for a minute or two, and it's nice to know that it's ready for the winter and that I've got all my, all my geraniums in. I'll do that. I'll start tomorrow bringing them in, because when I bring them in, I tend to repot them, have a look what's going on with the roots, and repot them so that they're all ready for next spring. So that's what I'll do. And I'm off outside now to cut the willow and to cut it into lengths, and put the same lengths together, you know what I mean, and have batches of them for different thicknesses. And I did make the mistake of bringing in some willow, and it didn't like it. It breaks, so you need to keep it wet before you make whatever it is you're making. So okay, so I'll see you later. See you later. Bye. Hi there. So I got this today from Amazon, and I'm gonna wait, and I thought I'd just wait until I could share it with you. Looking forward to this. Let's see, how do I get in it? Hang on a minute. Oh, there you go. Oh, right. Look, I've wanted one of these for ages. Oh, that's nice. You can hang it on the wall as well. Turn it the right way. That's right. What have I got left in? Oh, look. Is that just one? I've got a spare glass thing. Now, these are for my cuttings. Look, let me see. Yeah, I've got a nice spare one in case I break it. Oh, that's good. There you go. Right, so, and a little brush. Clean them out with. Oh, that's good. And in case I wanted to put them on the wall. So isn't that nice? Let's get rid of this packaging. Isn't that lovely? I'm excited. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Oops, Daisy. So what I'm going to do is, it's not, I mean, you can grow cuttings in just a glass of water, can't you? But I just like the look of it, and then you can see, you can let your roots grow to, right down to the bottom, and then repot it or pot it. So I'm going to try roses, I'm going to try geraniums, all sorts of things. I'm even going to try shrubs. I've got some shrubs. And this, so anyway, I love it. Love, love, love. I'll show it to you when it's all sort of kitted up, Right, what I've got here, okay. I've got willow bark. I've got it in view, yeah. It's willow bark in water, willow water. It's willow water. So that is good for cuttings, apparently. So what I'm going to do is I'll let it soak for a few days, the willow, and I just chopped it into chunks. I'll let it soak, and then I'll put some in my glass test tubes, and then put some cuttings in there, and we'll see if that is any better for cuttings than ordinary water. So there we are. I'm excited about that. It's really nice. I'll put it on the windowsill, I think, and it won't get knocked over. So I'm going to make an outdoor Christmas decoration that I can use all year round. I can plant some sweet peas on it. So I've selected the willow as straight as I can. It's not easy, but anyway, I've selected the willow. I'm going to tie it at the top to make it into like a teepee. So I've tied the top with jute. Now this is, don't judge it yet. It's got to either be a thing of beauty or the most hideous Christmas decoration known to modern man. So what I'm using here now, I'm starting to put bands of twine. And what I've used is the Russian vine. You know, the minor minute that you don't want to plant in your garden, but somebody else planted it, so I've no option, that kind of thing. But you know what? I just love using natural materials that you've got in your garden or wherever. I mean, you can go in a park and get a little bit of something, especially if it's blown down, you know, if you haven't got a garden. But anyway, yeah, so I'm determined. I'm on my let's not spend a lot for Christmas and make absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous things. You would be amazed at what you can find lying around outside, you know. And even if you haven't got a garden, if your neighbour has a nice garden, you could ask your neighbour if they wouldn't mind giving you a few bits and pieces, you know, so that you can. Now, I'm not leaving it in that. Oh, look, bless him, isn't that cute? He follows me around like a lamb. So there we are. So that is the rustic Christmas decoration that I can use all the year round. I can put sweet peas or clematis or anything. Just gotta love Cornwall, haven't you? The birds are singing, it's twilight. They're still singing. And it's so mild. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Meanwhile, sending lots of love from the land of mist and legends. Bye for now.